To Laser Wolf.
To Carrier!
To Zeitel, your daughter.
My wife!
May all your futures be pleasant ones, not like our present ones. Drink L'chaim to life, L'chaim. L'chaim to life. It takes a wedding to make us say, let's live another day. Drink L'chaim to life. We'll raise a glass and sip a drop of schnapps in honor of the great good luck that favored you. We know that when good fortune favors two, such men it stands to reason we deserve it too. To us and our good fortune, be happy, be healthy, long life. And if our good fortune never comes, it's to whatever comes. Drink L'chaim to life.